it ends up looking like this after you wear it. So the first thing we're going to try is brushing out the messy bun to see that if it gets a little better. If not, we'll go ahead and give it a wash. So currently this is what it looks like. As you can see, you cannot really wear it like this. So I'm going to go ahead and brush it in the direction that the hair has already set in. So as you can see, the bun already looks a little better. It looks less tangled up and it looks much better than what it did a couple of seconds ago. So I don't like the shape as much of this at the moment, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you how to set it once you wash it. So I just went ahead and put some water on the bun. You can give it a shampoo and condition wash, but I didn't feel like this required it, so I haven't done that. Now what I'm gonna do is do the same thing, brush it out in just downwards. So what you're looking at right now is pretty much this. Now here's the main part of how you set it. So you place it on a flat surface and you go in a donut shape. Now you just do that. You just make like a small donut out of it until it ends up looking somewhat like this. So now all you did was just comb it out and put it in this shape. Now this is pretty much how your bun is going to look like, which is how it was sent to you in the first place. So now that it is in this direction, you can actually put it in the oven. That's one of the things that you can do, but I would suggest just leaving it out to air dry and just wait for it to dry up. Just make sure that it is in this particular fashion. So you can just go ahead and let this air dry and it will actually pretty much just look like what it is right now, just dry. So that's how you pretty much get your messy bun back in shape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this to air dry right now. It is currently wet and I'll come back and show you how it looks once it is dry. So it's the next day and as you can see, the messy bun is back to its original shape.